I'm going to show you how to make this 3-ingredient candy bar. It is so delicious. It's quick, it's easy. You don't have to bake anything. And did I mention it's delicious? So we're going to start with some pitted Mitchell dates, and I'm going to get them kind of smushed down next to each other, down on some parchment paper, and then I'm going to cover them with another piece of parchment paper and use a rolling pin to get them nice and flat. Once they're nice and flat, I'm going to add some of this really chunky, delicious peanut butter. I like this one because it doesn't have any added oils or anything weird to it. So I get this on there, and you want crunchy peanut butter because this makes it so delicious. So after that, I got some dairy-free chocolate melted and put on top of that, and this is the one that I got, and you can get it at Walmart and any normal grocery store. And then my daughter and I decided to be fancy and add some crushed peppermint. So this is actually the 4th ingredient if you choose to use it. We did make some with pomegranate and they weren't as good. So definitely try the peppermint. So you put them in the freezer until they're nice and cold and hard, and they come out like this. They're so good. You can also put them in the fridge. We prefer them from the freezer. I'm definitely bringing these to some holiday parties. They're so good.
You can't have any, honey. It's got chocolate. You have some melon?